साक्षात्कर्तृस्य कृपा सिन्धुभैव च पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिष्ठे नमो हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपीकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी स्मृतभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसीदेव्यै प्रिया वै श्रीलवस्य कृष्णभक्तिलते देवी सरस्वती नमो भक्ताविहीनाम् अपराधलक्षै चित्ताश्च कामानि तरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्नं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रां स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितास्यं वदामि राधां करुणाभराद्रां ततो ममान्नस्ते गतिर्न कापि श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। सबसे पहले मेरे गुरुपाद बनो नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सतस्य श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत श्रवण गोस्वामी महाराज एवं नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सतस्य श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत श्रवण गोस्वामी महाराज का चरण कमलों में अनंत कोटि साष्टांग दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सतस्य वेदांत स्वामी महाराज एवं उपस्थित समस्त वैष्णव वैष्णवियों के चरण कमलों में मेरा यथायोग्य दंडवत प्रणाम स्वीकार हो। So yesterday we were discussing about Rath Yatra, especially Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So beautiful feelings of him we were describing. Even Jagannath Sundarachal. So from Neelanchal to Sundarachal he was going. Am I audible to you? Please check. Hare Krishna. Facebook viewers, please check. Am I audible to you? So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu modified the Leela of Rath Yatra. So Mahaprabhu has this kinds of feeling that Krishna is going from Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. So this kinds of feeling or bhav Mahaprabhu have in his mind. So yesterday we have heard this context already when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he was performing dance to Jagannath Jagannath. So this is the views of Mahaprabhu that after a long time I am meeting with my Pranakant. After Sudhirgha Vipralambha means after so many separation, when they both meet, so there is so much pleasure comes in the heart. This is called This is described in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, he is describing in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. Yesterday we have heard Jagannath Rath, how gradually, slowly it's moving, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So when he was observed in the bhav of Radharani, so he was expressing his so many kinds of bhav. So the katha we were hearing yesterday, that how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very humbly, so he was praying and doing stuti before Jagannath ji, after folding his hand.
नाचिते नाचिते प्रभुर हईला भावांतर हस्त तुली श्लोक पड़े कोरी उच्चेश्वर कृष्णदास कविराज.
So Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, so he is expressing, or he is describing Mahaprabhu's feelings here. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sachinandan Gaur Hari, when he was performing dance before Jagannath ji, so Jagannath Rath started or moving very slowly. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was performing dance, when he came behind the Rath of Jagannath, so then Rath of Jagannath was stunned. So at that time, King Prataprudra, so he did so many efforts, like he put there elephants, horses, but Jagannath chariot was not moving even a single inch. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came before the Jagannath ji, so the chariot started moving slowly. Actually, who is pulling this chariot? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Srimati Radhika. So the katha we were discussing yesterday, this is the Kurukshetra Leela at the time of solar eclipse. At the time in the Kurukshetra, there was a very auspicious time, which is in the Srimad Bhagavatam. The katha is described of Kurukshetra. So Parikshit Maharaj heard this katha from Sukdev Goswami Pad. So this same katha, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, in the context of Rath Yatra, he is described very nicely. I am just telling you that Leela very shortly. When Krishna from Vrindavan went to Mathura, so from Mathura went to Dwarika. So he got married with 16,108 queens and stayed in Dwarika, Rukmani and Satyabhama and Kalindi. So with these kinds of Mahishya he got married, and all the Mahishyas are not ordinary. Parikshit Maharaj is saying, please tell me some katha about Mahishi of Dwarika at that time, Sukdev Goswami Pad. So he is describing this katha before Shaunakadi's ratio. What to tell about the katha of gopis? If I tell you something about the Mahishas of Dwarika, so this is adorable. So in this shlok it is saying, so the feelings of that kinds of Mahisha is just like a waves of ocean. One and one single Mahishas, they are not ordinary, because they all Mahishas are the reflection of the Braj Gopis.
वही लोग जो है यानी ब्रज के सारे जो है गोपियां ही
So all the Braj Gopis has incarnated in the form of Mahishiyas, Dwarka.
और उनकी ऐसे सुंदर माधुर्य भाव आदि है।
So their beautiful Saundarya and Madhurya Bhav, seeing that Kamdev himself got fainted.
समस्त वर्णन
This is all described very nicely. Gaur Premanande Hari
है।
Hari
इसी
Bol.
कथा को कहते जा रहे हैं।
So this katha was
और इस
described.
प्रकार वो समस्त महिषियों के साथ विवाह आदि
So Krishna got married with these all kinds of Mahishiniya. Even here, this shlok is, in this shlok is describing.
माधुर्य भावों के द्वारा वशीभूत नहीं हुए।
So Krishna was not attracted towards these Mahishiyas.
ये भी वर्णन है।
Seeing the Saundarya Madhurya of that Mahishiyas, he was not attracted.
इसके कृष्ण वहीं पर भी एक एक पुत्री के गर्भों में 10-10 पुत्र एक एक कन्या भी
So the Mahishiyas of Dwarika got 10 sons and one daughters. So that's why in the scriptures it is mentioned Vaikuntha to Jarito Vara.
आत्मा जब वृता वैकुंठ से भी दारावती जो है द्वारकापुरी जो है
So Dwarkapuri is greater than the Vaikuntha,
जहाँ पर कृष्ण
where Krishna
अपने महिषियों के साथ
with their Mahishiyas, with their wife
पुत्र कन्याओं के साथ
or their sons and daughter
बलदेव के साथ
and with his brother Baldev,
एक साधारण
he is playing a role like a ordinary person
रस माधुर्य आस्वादन
and he is relishing the Ras Madhurya there.
ये लीला ना वैकुंठ में है
So this Leela is not in Vaikuntha, even Ayodhya. This kinds of Leela is not in Ayodhya too,
जत्र खेलती प्रभु जहाँ पर स्वयं भगवान
where Krishna himself, Bhagwan himself,
आदि खेल जो है
he is playing
बुढ़ी जाती हो
Pasa, Chausar,
चौसठ
Chausar.
वो भी वहीं पर भी
He is playing Chausar there with their Mahishiyas. Chausar.
ये समस्त और कहीं लीला नहीं मिला ना
So
वैकुंठ में नहीं
this Leela you cannot find anywhere in the Vaikuntha, in the Ayodhya.
बिल्कुल मर्यादा
Ramchand gives so much intense in dignity.
राजअभिमान
He has this kinds of ego that I am a king. But look, Krishna
द्वारकापुरी में रहते
in the
हुए
Dwarkapuri, he is staying in the Dwarkapuri.
तथापि
Still,
गृहस्थ के भांति
He is just performing the role like an ordinary person, and he is laughing and joking with his wives.
रुक्मिणी सप्तभामा
Rukmani and Satyabhama with other Mahishiyas, he is doing so many kinds of laughing and joking. The Katha is describing here once what happened. Krishna,
सुधर्मा सभा में विराजमान
so Krishna was staying in the Sudharma Sabha in Dwarkapuri.
समय नारद
So at that time, Narada Rishi came there,
नारद ऋषि एक
and Narada Rishi, he got a Parijat, he carrying a Parijat Pushpa with him.
आकर के कृष्ण
And
के सामने बैठ करके
in that assembly, he seated before Krishna and said, "Hey Prabhu,
इस महिषी में जो सर्वश्रेष्ठ जो आप हैं आप
so amongst these all Mahishiyas, among these all cues, who is the topmost beautiful, you can give this flower to that lady.
आप उसमें जो है ये परिजत पुष्प के
दे दीजिए."
हैं? नारद जी जहाँ पर पहुँच जाते हैं, नारद जी क्या-क्या
Wherever Naraji, present is, so what is gonna happen there, you know very well.
आनंद उत्सव चल रहे
So everybody was pleasing there.
के साथ
Krishna was doing so many kinds of laughing and joking with their wives.
माने बहुत निपुण है
Krishna is very expert,
देखो एक सप्तभामा है
and one is Satyabhama, Rukmani,
रुक्मिणी है
one is Rukmani.
नागचित्त है एक एक के मानव महिमा वर्णन करते जा
So Krishna is describing the glories of one by one all the Mahishiyas. Everybody was pleased there. At that time Narada Rishi came and said, "I just pray before you, please give this Parijat Pushpa to who is the topmost lady,
उसका हाथ में दे
you can give to her."
आदि क्या करे
Now what to do?
भाई जिसके दोगे तो मान तो हो गई हो
So if you
पर के दुख कोई भी बात नहीं है
give the flower to in a hidden way, so there is no problem. But before everybody, amongst all the Mahisha, you will give that flower to one lady, so she will get Abhiman. So Narada Rishi said, "I just need only this benediction. This is my prayer only. I have to go, so please give it very quickly." So Krishna has given that Parijas Pushp to Satyabhama. Satyabhama? Satyabhama? Or Rukmani. So he has given to that flower to Rukmani. And Satyabhama got Ma at that time. just like a snake. If you break the bones or back to the snakes, so he will do like hiss, and he will take the revenge. In the same way, Satyabhama was singing. Satyabhama was full of anger. She was burst out of anger, and she was doing just like a snake. And she was she was talking in her mind so much, and she went away from that place, and she went to Kobhavan. So Krishna was performing Leela just like an ordinary grahast, and he went to Satyabhama, and he tried so many efforts to break the man of Satyabhama. So he said, Satyabhama, why are you worrying about this Pushpa? I will bring. So okay, for you I can do one thing. I can take out all the tree of Parijat Pushpa. So Krishna himself with Satyabhama, he went to Swargalok and he defeated Indra there, and then he killed the Narakasur there. So this is a Leela. And after that, so he took out the Parijat Pushpa and he plowed that tree, a Parijat tree, in the courtyard of Satyabhama. And there was beautiful, very joyful festival celebrated there. So in this way, so Krishna was relishing this kinds of Leela in Dwarika. He was performing in the Grahastha Leela very nicely. He was enjoying in Grahastha Leela. That's why it is said in the scripture that Grahastha, Brahmachari and Sannyasis' life is very dry. But who is enjoying? Grahastha are enjoying. So sannyas and brahmachari life is very dry. Grahastha is saras. Grahastha is full of enjoyment. If sannyasi do little bit laugh and jokes, everybody will criticize him. If in the very pure white colors, it is little bit black spot there, so everybody will see that. So that's why sannyasi have a little bit laughing and joking, so everybody will talk about that. Or sannyasi and brahmachari, people will not seeing himself, but if sannyasi and brahmachari do little bit laughing, joking, or little bit though fault in there, so everybody was found that. Everybody will look or talk about that. So that's why Krishna is saying that Krishna is in Dwarika, he is enjoying the Grahastha life. Even not what to talk about, what happened, Krishna went to Rukmani's house. So he was taking the prasadam there. And Rukmani prepared so many kinds of food stuff for Krishna. She prepared so many food stuff. Krishna eating everything full of his stomach. And he was so much happy. And he lying on the bed of Rukmani. And Rukmani herself, she is very chaste lady. When she has given the betel nuts to Krishna, and when Krishna was chewing the betel nuts, and Rukmani she took a fan and she was fanning to Krishna. Rukmani was fanning to Krishna. Bijana, like it's a handmade fan, So Krishna was thinking in his mind, when I was in Vrindavan, so I was doing laughing, joking with the gopis. So that's why I do a little bit here. So Krishna was saying, Rukmani, I tell you one thing. So Rukmani said, please, yeah, sure, why not? If you want to say something with your wife, you can. Who can hide anything with his wife? So Krishna said, you are the queen, you are the princess, and I am not the Rajputra, even prince. So you have so much beautiful, you are so beautiful, and everybody loves you, and I am blackish. So I have so many spots in my body. Everybody used to call me thief, chor, lampat. And Rukmani, you are Lakshmi yourself. Wherever you put your hand and feet, so money will be there, prosperity will be there, and you are so beautiful. What to tell about
पति
you?
होने के लिए मैं योग्य नहीं।
I am not able to being your
मैं तुम्हारे
husband.
साथ जो विवाह जो किया,
So I got married with you just because of I would like to cap your words. Because your brother Rukmi,
वो शिशुपाल के साथ
he wanted to get you married with Shishupal.
और विवाह होने की इजाजत
And
उसी
after
समय
getting
उसी रात्रि
your
में
marriage at the same night, you wrote me a letter, and that's why I have to be there and kidnapped you.
जिस शेर के भोजन जो है आज सियार की तरफ
And you wrote a letter. You wrote in the letter, "Hey Govind,
हे गोविंद आप मुझे रक्षा करें, आपके सरनाम।
Loin's food is
अब उस
eating
समय
by."
मैंने किया कि उसी रात्रि में ही, है, मैं आया और विधिवत आपको मैंने हरण किया।
So Loin's food is taken by Jackal.
किंतु वास्तव रूप में
So that's why I accepted your proposal and then I got married you. But actually I am not able to be your husband. If you want,
तुम शिशुपाल के साथ
then you can get married to Shishupal again.
हमें कोई
There is no problem to me in this matter. I don't mind.
और तुम यदि कहो
And if you say
बात ग्रहण नहीं करेंगे, बोले ऐसी बात नहीं है।
Jackal and Shishupal,
शिशुपाल राजा ने आज तक भी तुम्हारे प्रतीक्षा
and
किए
if you say the Shishupal is got married or not, even Shishupal is today, even today he is waiting for you.
नीचा दिखाने के लिए
Just because of making me down, he is not got married.
चाहो
If you want,
तो मैं ही जो है तुम्हारे
then I can myself make the arrangement, all of you. Then I can, you can get married to Shishupal. I will make all the arrangements. So just Krishna said like this.
पूरा शरीर के
Rukmani's whole body was trembling,
जो बैजन जो था
and the fan who she had in his hand,
गिर गया।
it fall down,
हाँ कृष्ण हाँ
and she was saying Ha Krishna, Ha Krishna. She fall down and fainted on the ground. She fainted and fall down on the ground. And Krishna said, "Oh, what happened?" What Krishna did?
रुक्मिणी को उठाया
He
अपने गोद में बैठाया
he took the Rukmani on his lap.
उनको पानी दिया
He gave him little bit water,
बालों पे जो है
and he was keeping his hand on his head, on his hair,
पाया।
and he pushed his back, and little bit, very slowly he said, "Hey Rukmani."
बड़ी बात है रुक्मिणी के क्या है?
And after that, Rukmani got the consciousness, and
रुक्मिणी रोते रोते
Krishna said, "What happened to you?"
इतने जन्म के बाद
Rukmani said, "After a long time, I got you, and now you are saying that I will leave you. So where I will go?"
आपकी चरण कमल प्राप्ति करने के लिए जाने
So
कितने ब्रह्मा आदि
taking
बड़े-बड़े
your
देवता
feet shelter, even Brahma and big devtas are doing the austerity. Please do not. And by the mercy you have given me the place in your feet. And if you will not accept me, if you will leave me, so where I will go? So Krishna said, "Hey Rukmani, why are you thinking like that? I was just joking with you." So this kinds of joking I used to do with the gopis in Vrindavan.
और उस समय ऐसे प्रयास करते हैं, कभी
So
कोई
at
मैं
that
गोपियों की मैं कहता था,
At the time when I was joking with the gopis, I used to say with the gopis, "Hey Gopi, you always tease me. You used to say you are thief, you are lumpet, you are chore."
क्या कहते, काल की बात दूर की बात है, आज ही चले जाओ।
So I used to say, "Oh Gopi, oh."
गोपियाँ कहती है,
I used to say, "Gopi, okay, I will not meet you tomorrow." So Gopi said, "Oh, what are you talking tomorrow? You can go now. Right away you can go from here."
देखो मैं उसी कथा को स्मरण करके
So I was just remembering the katha, remembering that past time. So I was just little bit joking with you. It is just a joke. I got married with you with the fire is evidence, or with all the rules and regulation. I got married with you. So how can I sacrifice you? How can I give up you?
गृहस्थ जीवन है, गृहस्थ जीवन में क्या होनी चाहिए?
So in the grasta life, there's little bit laughing and joking. Sometimes we quarrel.
ऋषि साध्य क्या श्लोक है जानते हो? अजाजुद्दे ऋषि साध्य
Aja Yuddhe Rishi Sadhe.
मैं भूल गया।
I have forgotten this shloka. That's very nice shloka. It is mentioned in the Nishi Shastra. If everybody knows, please tell.
आदि के सब जो है बोले नहीं बचो।
And it's at least they are never cha. Aja Yuddhe.
अजा माने
Aja means Bakri. नहीं ब्रह्मा. ब्रह्मा.
बकरी, जो बकरी जो लड़ते हैं ना, आप देखोगे पहाड़ के अंचल में है, जो बकरी जो है ऐसे दोनों जो टांग पकड़ के खड़े हो जाता है, दोनों सिर को ऐसे लगता है, दोनों में
Ajayodhya, when the gods fight each other, so they keep their legs and heads with each other, and when they quarrel like that, they are going to die. Actually, it seems they are going to die. Bakra, the she god and he god, they will kill each other. But what happened? Nothing. In the ancient time, the Rishi Muni, when Sant Mahatma, they left their bodies. So at that time, what happened? That time they manifested many kinds of big hundi of yagya, and they used to do swaha swaha swaha. And there was no arrangement of feeding. But what happened at the time? The Sant Mahatma used to feed themselves by begging, and after that, so that's why it is said that you go and arrange the food yourself.
और देखो ये समस्त बर्डन होता है।
I have forgotten the shlok, which is very nice shlok. Ajayodhya. अरे गूगल टाइप करो ना जल्दी से. Ajayodhya. Ajayodhya.
कैसे कलह हो रहा है. अब थोड़ी बात में
ऋषि श्राद्धे. ऋषि श्राद्धे.
भगवान कृष्ण कहने लगे देखो.
So Bhagavan Krishna was saying, hey Rukmani,
ये तो हमारे गृहस्थ जीवन.
it happens in the Grihastha life. We laugh and joke, we quarrel each other. Otherwise, this life will be dry. So Krishna given an example. Look, we used to prepare, we used to cook. So whenever we wash dishes, so after washing one pots, when we wash the second pot, so when we keep the pots at that place, so there is a sounds comes. So in the same time, there is a quarrel happens in the husband and wife in the Grihastha life. So after some time, what happens? It will be sorted out. So this is laughing and joking. It happens. Why are you worrying? If we won't do this kinds of hasya pariyas, laughing and joking, so our life will be dry. Whole day working, we're so much tired, and when we came to home, and if we don't talk with the wife and by their anchal, all the stress will go away. So it is said in the Niti Shastra, the wife who don't cover his husband head or face with his anchal, isne anchal, do you understand isne anchal? So the love rupi anchal, the cloth of his sari, the part of his sari, this is called anchal. So so the ladies used to put on saris, so there is a part of anchal, so they used to keep on their husband, because whole day working, when husband working whole day in the office, they used to get so many tasks, so many teasing, so many challenges. So whenever they used to come at home, and if Patni is she chase like this, she teased the husband like in the same way, so he won't be stay at home, he will go away from there. So there is a big story. There was a kathi. There was a grihastha who was working whole day in the office, or when he entered into the home, his wife was scolding him so much. So there's a big story. I'm not going in that. Haripriya, Kalahapriya. So her wife name was Haripriya. She was actually not Haripriya. She was Kalahapriya, who was fond of quarreling. So in the home, when the wife think that my husband is my Parmeshwar, my Bhagwan, and she gives so much love and affection and serve herself to serve his husband very nicely. So it is mentioned in the Ramayana, Sita Devi herself, when Ramchand used to put on his crowns from his head, and when he was taking off his clothes, so the Sita ji was serving him very nicely. So I mean to say, Bhagavan Krishna was saying, hey Rukmini, this is our Grihastha life. So we have to do this kinds of laughing, joking. So if we won't do this things like that, so to whom I will discuss my heart's feeling. Whole day I work in the whole day I work in the kingdom. So if after that I got so much tired, if after in my work, so if I come to you and if I don't do like this, so how it is possible? So how I will survive? So in the court, what happened? Judge used to hear all the story of the peoples or the witness. So after that he give the decision. In the same way, Ajayuddhe, प्रभाते मेघांबरे,
और क्या लिखा? दंपति कलश और क्या लिखा? प्रातः काल में एक छोड़ दिया ना, प्रातः काल में यदि बादल हो,
in the morning time there is so much clouds and there was sounds of cloud like this, so we should understand that there will be no rain. होने वाला नहीं होने वाला.
तो मेरे कहने के लिए तात्पर्य है,
so what's my meaning to say? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the feelings he shows, the views he showed. Why we are remembering about Dwarika Leela? Further, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, before the Jagannath Prabhu, when he was just describing the Sahitya Darpan Shlok,
वो क्या बोल रहे हैं? नाचते प्रभु है लभवांतर, हस्ततुली श्लोक पढ़े उच्चे सार. इस प्रकार चैतन्य महाप्रभु.
So in this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, while he was dancing, he was so much observed in the bhav, and he recited the Sahitya Darpan Shlok. So he was expressing the material Nayak and Nayika, heroine and heroine. In the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu life, he never discussed about the ladies and gents material life. The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is the sannyasi Shiromani. But here, before the Jagannath, he was reciting a shloka. What the shloka is? So this shloka is meaning one married woman who has just got married. Diragaman means, so after some time, after got married, she goes to his husband out, and after some time she returned back to her parental house. So this is a rules and regulation of the society. After marriage, wife used to go to husband house, and after staying 4 or 5 days, she come back to his parental house. So that married woman, when she came back from husband house to his parental house, so all her friends surrounded her and used to say, "Oh, all the Sakhi says, oh Sakhi, please tell, how is your husband's house? How's your husband? How's your saas? How's your mother-in-law?" So this is a tradition that. So how you take the breath under the guidance of your mother-in-law? One is saas, which is called breathe, and second is saas, which is mother-in-law. So they are very dangerous. Mother-in-law is very dangerous. So in this way, the sakhis of that lady is asking, "Please tell us, how's your mother-in-law? How's your father-in-law? How's your brother-in-law? How's your sister-in-law? Nanad. How's your sister-in-law?" This is saas and nanad. They have to we have to focus on that, just like Jatila Kotila.
विवाहिता जो है,
So that married woman, she was saying,
देखो मैं अपने हृदय
look,
में
I tell you my heart's feeling.
जब उम्र भर
When I was not married, before my marriage,
जिस पुरुष के साथ मेरा अवैध रूप में संबंध हो गया,
I had the relationship with that person,
कालक्रम से उसके साथ मेरा आज क्या हुई,
and when the time passes on, I got married the same person.
जिसका तो जॉब उगवानो हर
Before the marriage,
वो आज हमारे क्या हो गया, पति बने।
so the person I had the relationship, now he has become my husband. But
विवाह के पहले
before the marriage,
जब हम दोनों
when we
एकांत स्थान में
when we used to meet in an isolated place, park mein,
रेवा नदी के तट पर,
in the Reva Nadi, we used to meet in the Reva river,
और वेतोसी
at the bank of Reva river.
वेतोसी माने
And Vetushi means
वेद के जो है झाड़ी जहाँ पर
there is a jhadi, there is a tree or branches of bet.
उसके वेद का, और दूसरे ऐसे सुंदर कुंज के तरफ बना हुआ था,
And this it was like beautiful like a kunj.
हम वो देख नहीं
So nobody can watch us.
सकते, सामने हम लोग बिल्कुल
So
नदी के तट पर
under the kunj we used to sit there.
कब बैठते थे, मानो रात 9 बजे से लेकर
So
के
from night
सुबह 3 बजे तक
night
कितना घंटा हो गया?
at the night 9 p.m. to 3 a.m. So 6 hours we used to meet. We used to be there. We used to sit there. So how we used to sit, I cannot express. At the time of spring, beautiful wind is flowing.
हवा चलती है, ठंडी भी नहीं है और
It's not so cold. It's not so summer.
रात्रि काल,
And the
वो भी
time of
रात्रि काल
night, how that night was?
ज्योत्सना रात्रि चैत्र छपा, चैत महीने
That was like Chaitra Mas, Purnima Ratri. The night is Purnima.
किरण के द्वारा सारी तरफ
And the rays of moons is shining there.
बालू में जो नदी के तट पर जो बालू है उसमें झिलमिल जन्म मानो
And when the rays of moon is you know, किसको gold
सब बिछो करके रखा है, विवाह की हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
Chandi. Okay, so the rays of the moon is putting on the grounds, and there is a like sparkling there,
परिदा कदम के सुगंध हवा की तरह हम लोग की तरफ
and it's looking like the silver.
माधवी मालती पुष्प इतने
And in the gardens there's a flowers like Madhvi and Malati, and the beautiful fragrance is coming from there, and we are getting so much pleasure in our heart. At that time,
क्या करते थे,
what we used to do there,
कपड़े के
we used to cover ourselves with the thin cloths.
और सूरत लीला विधो,
Surat Leela Vido.
तत्र सूरत व्यापार लीला विधो, और उस समय हम लोग
At
क्या
that
करते
time,
थे? ये समस्त संसारिक विषय
we-
जो है विषय,
we used
नॉनसेंस कथा,
we used to do stupid nonsense things there. We used to speak stupid nonsense katha there.
बोलते
So speaking this things,
कब 6 घंटा हो जाता,
when our 6 hours passed away, we don't know.
और ये 6 घंटा मानो हम लोग 6 सेकंड नहीं लगता।
And even this 6 hours feels like it's just a 6 minutes, 6 seconds.
आज हम लोग विवाह,
But after got married,
आज तो हम विवाह तो कर लिया,
we have got married
कोई
now.
हमें
There is no foundation. There is no rules and regulation for us.
हम चलते रहा,
So we are following all the rules and regulation.
किंतु
But
वो जो आनंद जो है,
But that kind of pleasure we had earlier, it is not comparable to this Anand.
वो कुछ नहीं है।
That was awesome.
आपको चैतन्य महाप्रभु
So this Katha Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was telling again and again.
कुमार भरत इस श्लोक जप करते जा रहे, सभी भक्तों के सिर घूमने लगे। ये चैतन्य महाप्रभु ऐसे
So when everybody heard this Katha, so they were saying, why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying like this? Nobody was able to understand. But look,
महाप्रभु के हृदय के कौन जाने
who
वाला
got Sarup Damodar? Sarup Damodar was known the feelings of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's heart.
है, बहुत आनंद हो रहे।
So Sarup Damodar was hearing when he knew the feelings of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was so happy, and he was reciting another shlok,
मदने दहने
Madane Dahine.
है, इसी श्लोक के पाठ करते जा रहे।
So he was Sarup Damodar reciting another shloka. So nobody was able to understand there.
भक्त थे,
So Mahaprabhu had a great devotee there.
इसके तात्पर्य क्या है?
So they were confused that what is the meaning of that.
उसी साल
But at that year,
रूप
Rupa Goswami Pad,
रूप गोस्वामी पाद दूर से महाप्रभु के ऐसे नित्य आदि दर्शन
when he saw the dancing of Mahaprabhu very far,
रथ यात्रा समाप्त होने के
and when the Rath Yatra ended up,
Srila Rupa Goswami
Pad,
ठाकुर के निकट सिद्ध बकुल
before the Haridas Thakur, he came to Siddha Bakul,
के अनुसार उसके परवार एक श्लोक
and according to the Mahaprabhu's bhav, he wrote a shlok there before Haridas Thakur. That was shlok was.
जब तो वो श्लोक क्या था?
What was that shlok?
प्रिय सोयं सहचरी
Priya Soam Sahachari.
कुरुक्षेत्रे मिलित तथा सदाभा तदयो उभयं संग सुखम यथा यथा ओपिस्त खेलन
Priya Soham
मधुर
Sahachari.
मुरली पंचमजुषे मन में कालिंदी
No,
दिनाय
it's there. It's there.
ये कथा को इस प्रकार वर्णन हो रहा है
So this katha is like describing when in the Kurukshetra Radhaji, when she met with Krishna,
उस समय स्वयं
at that time Radhaji herself, she is expressing her feelings.
देखो
She is saying, look,
मैं कोई राधा
hey Sakyu, I am the same Radha and he is the same Prankant Krishna. But in my heart, there is no much enjoyment in my heart today. Why?
ये स्थान अलग है
Because this is a different place. Anya Desh, Anya Vesh. Different place, different feelings.
ये कुरुक्षेत्र व द्वारका व जगन्नाथपुरी का क्या कहा जाता है
Kurukshetra, Dwarika, Jagannathpuri.
द्वारकापुरी के एक अंश कहा जाता है पाठ कहा जाता है
Kurukshetra is a part of Dwarikapuri.
किंतु यहाँ पर
But
वो
here,
भाव नहीं है, वृंदावन की भाव नहीं है।
there's no kinds of feeling like Vrindavan here. And Krishna doesn't have this that kind of saundarya. Krishna is wearing crowns here. He has a crown stick in his hand, and they have the associates their parikar like the same way.
जैसे होते हैं उसके परिवार भी
So the way is Bhagwan, this same way he has their parikar.
राजदंड
He has a Raj dress,
और सभी लोग उनको क्या करते
and
हैं?
everybody is
सैल्यूट मारते
saluting him.
हैं। हाथ जोड़ करके
Everybody is folding his hand and saluting him and talking to him.
हाथी घोड़े
Horse, elephant, coming and going. People are coming and going.
जो इतने जो
Even the chariot here,
पहिया के शब्द हैं,
the wheels of the chariot,
वो भी आ रहे हैं।
its sound is coming
हाथियों
there,
के चिंगार से
and the elephants is snoring.
और रथों के पहिया की जो है इतनी
The sound is coming from the horse, sound is coming from the chariot's wheel, sound is coming from the elephants. So that's why gopis are saying, Radhaji is saying, hey Govind, please come to the Vrindavan.
यहाँ पर आपके बोर पंखा भी नहीं है
Because you don't have peacock feather here, you don't have the flute here. Hey Krishna, please come to Vrindavan. Gopis are saying like this. So this kinds of feeling expressing by the gopis.
जिस कथा को
So the katha we were hearing, Mahaprabhu was saying, Jakomar Hara.
भाव क्या है? क्यों
So according to this shloka, why Mahaprabhu recited this
यहाँ
shloka?
पर एक दिखाते चैतन्य महाप्रभु
So now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is showing here one thing. One is Swakyatva, Parkyatva.
व्यक्त भाव इस संसार में
In this
चाहे
world,
वैकुंठ से लेकर के
from Vaikunt to
द्वारका,
Ayodhya, Dwarka, Mathura, everything is every dham is Swakyatva bhav.
सत्यत्व भाव से कहते हैं जहाँ पर पति पत्नी
Swakyatva bhav means the husband-wife relationship. This is called the Swakyatva bhav.
किंतु देखो
But-
सत्यत्व भाव सांसारिक जीवन तो ऊपर से कुछ मिठास लगते हैं
So Swakyatva bhav, the material life in this looks very
करेले के भांति कड़वा
very sweet, but internally it is very bitter like
देखने में
Karela.
तो आनंद लगता है
So it seems very pleasant
ब्रह्मचारी जब देखते हैं
when brahmacharis see
इनके बेटा बेटी कैसे
that their husband and their sons and daughter, whenever any grast devotees come, so brahmachari used to say, oh, how beautiful daughter and sons they have.
दलदल में फंस जाए
So they are not, they are stuck in this life, so they will go away.
आप समझे, ब्रह्मचारी सोचते हैं
So brahmachari used to think, this mat bas is very useless. If he got married, so I will get this kinds of sons and
बाय बाय बाय
tata bye bye. We used to say like this. But this material life is, the grast life is, who once go, he's gone forever.
जो खाया
So this is saying the Dilli ka laddu jo khaya,
जो नहीं खाया वो भी
pachtaya.
है
The person who has eaten Dilli laddu, he will be joyful, or who haven't eaten, he will be sorrowful. If you stuck once in the grast life, or in this material life, so you cannot come out from that. Just like Prahlad Maharaj is saying, Acharam Komaram kya?
अंधकूपम
Andakupam, yes, Grandakupam. Graha Andakupam, just like this Grastha life, Graha Medi.
तत्साधुमन्ने सूर्यवर्जदहीनां सदा समुद्रविघ्नद्याम् असतग्रहात् हित्वा तो पादं गृहान्तकूपं वनं गतो च परिमासे। ये संसार
this material life or this is just like a bell. Or there is no water in the bell. Once somebody fall down there, so he went away forever. Once somebody enter into the material life, so he has gone. Krishna is saying in the same way, Grastha life is so much, austerity, so much hardships there. So the time is going to over. I am just going to stop here. There was a woodcutter. He was so much poor, so he was cutting the wood bank of river. At the time, what happened? His axe is fall down on the river. He was crying. At the time, the Jal Devta, the Devta of Jal came. He said, "What happened? Why are you crying?" So he said, "My axe is fall down in the river." So Jal Devta, he take out a beautiful golden axe. He said, "It is yours?" He said, "No, it's not mine." Another time he got a silver axe and said, "It's yours?" He said, "No, it's not mine." Third time he got the same axe what he had. So he said, "It's yours?" He said, "Yes, it's mine." So he has given to him. Jaldevta said, "Go, take it." So now I am got so much happy that you are so much truthful. So that's why I have given you 3. So he has given the gold axe and silver axe and iron axe. So when he came to home back, so the same woodcutter, he was cutting the axe at the same place. So her wife was with him also. So when he was cutting the wood, so her wife's feet was slipped down and she fall down into the river. So that woodcutter was crying. So Jaldevta came. He said, "What happened? Why are you crying?" He said, "Oh, my wife has fallen down into the river. Please take out my wife." So Jaldevta said, "No problem. I will take out her." So first he brought a beautiful lady, just like Apsara, Miss Universe, just like a Miss Universe lady came out from the water. So Jaldevta said, "Yes, this is your wife." He said, "Yes, it's mine. So Jaldevta said, "Hey, I gave you axe, gold axe. So you said it's not mine, but it's not your wife. Why are you saying that she is my wife? Now you are saying this Miss Universe is yours." He said, "Jaldevta, it's not my fault. At that time, by the mercy of you have given me 3 eggs. And if I won't say this is not my wife, so he was." So Jaldevta said that the woodcutter said that I won't say that this is not my wife, so you will give me another. And I said, "No, this is not my wife, so you will give me another." So after that, when you will take out my original wife, so I will say, "Yes, this is mine." So you will give me 3. So how can I nourish all 3 of wife? So it's really hard to me. That's why I said, "Yes, this is mine." So who are following the Grastha life, so they are accepting so much challenges in life. So but what is the brahmachari and sannyasi, they are taking prasad of 3 times, little bit harinam, little bit katha, and the person who is living in the Grastha life, so they are working in a 24 hours, they are working 26 hours. So they have to do overtime also. So in the same way, so the katha we were describing here, one is Swakya and second is Parkya Bhav. So this is showed here. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when
स्वकीय प्रेम के द्वारा माधुर्य का प्रकाश नहीं।
So by the Swakya Prem there is no Madhurya is established, but Parkriya Prem,
किंतु यहाँ पर एक
Madhurya is
घटना
established there.
इस जगत में स्वकीय प्रेम के पर्याप्त नहीं।
But we should always remember our mind in this world, Parkyatva Prem is Narakagamini.
संसार में उसके
The person who will follow the Parkya Prem here, he won't get relief in his life, or after that he won't get this kind of relief. After that he has to go to hell. If the person who following this Parkya Bhav, but in the transcendental world, Parkya is greater than Swakya. That's why Mahaprabhu he was reciting this shloka again and again.
इसके भाव को दिखा दे।
So he was expressing feeling. So the transcendental world,
इसी को जय
so the prem in the transcendental world, that is Parkya Prem. That's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu before the Jagannath Prabhu he was describing like this, and he is praying like this. Vaishnavebhyo namo namah. चलो भैया आरती करो. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा